Hello, Levi. Michelle, would you mark down that we don't have to water that area over there? Thank you, Levi. You're welcome, Michelle. If he talked, he'd talk like Eeyore. Huh, buddy?
I like him.
Hi. Thanks for taking care of us while Dad's gone. Always like to be back at Animal Village. You know they were both rescued here, right? Mm-hmm. These are our babies, huh, Levi? When you was a little puppy, huh? Good boy, look at, oh, is he beautiful? Is he just the most beautiful boy? Yes. And there's a Pidgey Poo. She used to be Princess Bergie. Hey, Princess Bergie. She's not crazy. Really, she's not crazy at all. She's another you threw it, you get it, huh?
Right?
You're like Rodney Dangerfield. You get no respect.
That's why my jeans aren't fitting anymore.
Oh, falling down? That happens. That happens. Hey, Peachy Poo. Peachy Poo. See how I taught her to ignore me? Isn't that great? She does it perfectly now. Yep. Interesting pee-pee style there, Pidgey Poo. Does Levi go into the water?
Huh?
Does Levi go into the water?
Just mash as long as I can see it.
I think Levi should.